So, hello and welcome. My name is Michael Ma, and in this video series, I want to introduce you the Barcode property finder and how you can use it. So, I'm working in the prepress technology department of the FOCRA, and just wrote my bachelor thesis about some parts of the Barcode project. Here you can see the agenda for this video series. In the first part, I want to tell you something about the Barcode project itself. Then I will introduce you the Barcode property finder. In the following video parts, I will show you live how you can evaluate the FOCRA barcode test form with the Barcode property finder. So now I want to tell you something about the Barcode project. What was the motivation behind this project? Some manufacturers, they use the high-speed inkjet technology, reached out to the FOCRA and told us they have problems to reproduce barcodes with a stable quality level. So the aim for this project was to figure out what caused these problems and what we can do to improve the quality level of barcodes they produced by high-speed inkjet. They are produced by high-speed inkjet. So what have we done? We invented the FOCRA barcode test form. With this test form, we collected a database and evaluate this database with a verifier. What is a verifier? A verifier is a measurement device that is working with the newest ISO standards. You can see the following ISO standards here for 1D codes and 2D codes. After we evaluate the database, we collected the results and put them into our research report. This research report, so a short summary of this research report is available online on the FOCRA website. And also there's also a long version that is available free for FOCRA members. On this point, I want to say thanks to the manufacturers. They provided us the verifiers for the time of this project. Many thanks on this point. Without this help, it wouldn't be easily to make projects like this, to manage projects like this. So that was everything about a short summary about the FOCRA barcode project. Now I want to introduce you the Barcode property finder. So what is the Barcode property finder? After we collected all these results, we want to give you practical use of these results. So we decided to collect them all in an XLS sheet. So with this XLS sheet, it is easily possible in combination with the FOCRA barcode test form to find the best possible barcode combination. I would call it a barcode combination to print it out by your system. So before we start with the evaluation, it is possible to make a visual inspection of the FOCRA barcode test form. I will introduce you that right now. And the first step, it is possible to check the color strips on this side. You can check this strip for a lag. You can check. So what is it for? You can check this for blocked nozzles. So if your printing system or your printing head has blocked nozzles or printing out it well, everything. So in the second step, you can compare the different color codings and codings visual. What do I mean by that? On the FOCRA barcode test form, we have 5 different color codings, and it should be easily possible to recognize if the RIP worked well on this side. So you can take a magnifying glass and check the color encodings here. The third step, we want to check the orientation of these parts here. What do I mean by that? There are two possibilities for a code. So the orientation of a code could be horizontal to the printhead or vertical. If it's horizontal to the printhead, we call it a picket fence code. And if it's vertical to the printhead, we call it a letter code. What I mean by the orientation to the printhead. So if we imagine the paper feed is like this. So the test form is going through the printing system like this. That would be the horizontal orientation. So the picket fence code would be here, and the letter codes would be here. How you can see that, or how you can know that, you can use again a magnifying scope and check the edges of the codes. It should be there should be a characteristic sign if it's a picket fence code or a letter code. If it's a picket fence code, you have smooth edges, and if it's a letter code, you have rough edges like a picket fence. So that is everything to the visual inspection. And the next step, I want to tell you what you need to use the barcode property finder. In the first place, you need the FOCA barcode test form. This test form is free available on our website. Then you need a verifier. Be patient that your verifier software is working with the newest ISO standards. Then you also need a computer and a data spreadsheet program like Excel or Libre calculation. So that is everything for the first part, and the next part of this video series, I will show you live how you evaluate the FOCA barcode test form. So the 1D codes of the FOCA barcode test form. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much for your attention. And I will see you in the next video.